Good morning. So today we are exploring more of Busan. And where are we going?
So we're going about an hour away, so we're going more over into the actual city.
Yeah.
To Galgakchi fish market, Biff Square. There's like several street food alleys and stuff there. Then we're going to look at a park that's got like Busan Tower in it. And then probably get the subway back up more towards like Seminyon city area.
Yep, which should be good. We're gonna go, or just walking to the train now, and we shall go from there.
Yeah, see what we get there.
Whoop. Hey!
Hi!
So we made it to the top of the market where there's an observation, that's the word. We're going to try this all again because you float. Hey!
Hi!
So we made it to the top of the market, got to the observatory deck, which yeah, it's a nice little view. Cannot complain, for free. Yeah. So what's the next stop?
We're going to go look around the markets here.
Cool.
Yeah, it's like Biff Square and Tin Can Alley and other things I don't know the name of.
Sounds good. Alright, I'll show you those. Ah, fuck it, you can hear it on the camera. Look at the way the dude over the road is seductively eating ice cream.
It's a tall ice cream.
It's a big boy. Oh my god.
there we go. Found the market.
You are? You are? So griddled mung bean. I assume a fish sauce. Getting some more food. Some of that. At this little place, which is really cute. I mean, it looks delicious. Happy? Yeah. So we just had some lunch, had some noodles that were great. And we just had a free sample of a weird donut thing, which is also pretty nice. But quite heavy, considering it was like that size. Filled with almost like cream cheese. Oh yeah, it's tasty. So many stairs.
I'm gonna die.
Alex cheated when given the option of stairs and a slow incline. She went slow, low incline. So we decided not to go up there because we thought it's 12,000 won each. We already had a view of the city from the free observation deck. It's probably not as good as that one, but meh, give it a go. Alex and I found the top of the mall as an observation deck.
Yeah, it's a full 3 floors of just nice gardens and views.
Yeah, some of them are great.
Yeah. When the mall is 13 floors high. And it has an aquatic
show.
Was it like a show?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll show you some of the views you can get on top of a mall, of all things. Save your money. Don't go up the tower. It's over there. Don't go up the tower. Come up here. It's free. The views aren't quite as impressive, but you get more on that side.
Just top of the mall. Amazing views.
So that is the fish market we went to earlier. Hey!
Hi! It's a gorgeous view.
Yeah.
Like the City of Busan is just awesome anyway. Just all the mountains, different colourful houses. Harbour.
Got a harbour, got mountains.
Bit of a beach.
All the way around. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, so they have like donuts.
Good evening.
Hey. So we are gonna go get some dinner. We've had a really nice day walking around Busan and kind of seeing a different side of it, the more city side. Yeah.
Yeah, been to the fish market and lots of other places. Had some nice views today of the city.
Yeah, and it's been really nice weather as well, like not too hot but sunny. But we've both done close to 20,000 steps, I think it was, like kind of 14k. My phone was saying, so we're gonna go get some dinner. I'm gonna go just enjoy that. So I'm not gonna take my camera, take my phone, so might show you what food we get. But probably gonna end the video here, and we shall pick it up with the next video tomorrow.
Yeah, so we'll see you for another day of exploring Busan tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye. All the food. Happy Alex. Yeah. Bibimbap. That's where we ate.